Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem Series, we will solve this integral. The integral of sine to the power of 5x cosine x dx. When solving an integral, if the integrand contains a function multiplied by the derivative of that function, we can use substitution. Here we have a function sine to the power of 5x, and derivative of sine x is cosine x multiplied by dx. So we will use substitution method here. Let's solve the problem. The problem was sine to the power of 5x times cosine x dx. If we say sine x equal to u, take the derivative of both sides. Cosine x times dx will be equal to du. Then here in the integral we will say u for sine x, and du will be cosine x dx. Integral becomes u to the power of 5 times du. When we take the integral, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. 5 plus 1 is 6, and we will divide by 6. The integral becomes 1 over 6 times u to the power of 6. But u is this sine x, then the integral becomes 1 over 6 times sine to the power of 6x. And since the integral is an indefinite integral, we add a constant, see here. And the answer is this. In the next problem, we will solve this integral. Square root of sine x times cosine x dx. See you in the next video.